and welcome to the second day of 13 days of horrible crafts and even scarier stories. This series will consist of 13 days of crafty goodness and our dearly departed Edgar Allan Poe. A brand new tale of woe, and I don't just mean the crafts, will grace your screens every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in October at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please subscribe so you can enjoy all 13 days. But for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the tale of the bells. Hear the sledges with the bells, silver bells. What a world of merriment their melody foretells. How they tinkle, tinkle, tinkle in the icy air of night, while the stars that oversprinkle all the heavens seem to twinkle with a crystalline delight, keeping time, time, time in a sort of runic rhyme to the tintinnabulation that so musically wells from the bells, 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 from the jingling and tinkling of the bells. Hear the mellow wedding bells, golden bells. What a world of happiness their harmony foretells. Through the balmy air of night, how they ring out their delight. From the molten golden notes, and all in tune with a liquid ditty floats. To the turtle dove that listens while she gloats on the moon. Oh, from out the sounding cells, what a gush of euphony luminously wells. How it swells, how it dwells on the future, how it tells of the rapture that impels to the swinging and the ringing of the bells, 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 of the bells, 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 to the rhyming and the chiming of the bells. Hear the loud alarum bells, brazen bells. What tale of terror now their turbulency tells. In the startled ear of night, how they scream out their affright. Too much horrified to speak, they can only shriek, shriek, out of tune, in a clamorous appealing to the mercy of the fire, in a mad exultation with the deaf and frantic fire, leaping higher, 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 with a desperate desire, and a resolute endeavor, now to sit or never. By the side of the pale-faced moon, oh, the bells, 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 what a tale of their terror tells, of despair, how they clang and clash and roar, what a horror they outpour on the bosom of the palpitating air, yet the ear it fully knows, by the twanging and the clanging, how the danger ebbs and flows, yet the ear distinctly tells, in the jangled and the wrangled, how the danger sinks and swells, by the sinking or the swelling in the anger of the bells, of the bells, of the bells, 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 in the clamor and clangor of the bell. Hear the tolling of the bells, iron bells. What a world of solemn thought their monody compels. In the silence of the night, how we shiver with affright at the melancholy menace of their tone. For every sound that floats from the rest within their throats is a groan. And the people, the people, they that dwell up in the steeple, all alone, and who tolling, 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 in that muffled monotone, feel a glory in the rolling on the human heart a stone. They are neither man nor woman, they are neither brute nor human, they are ghouls, and their king it is who tolls, and he rolls, 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 a pan from the bells, and his merry bosom swells with the pan of the bells, and he dances and he yells, keeping time, in a sort of runic rhyme, to the pan of the bells, keeping time, in a sort of runic rhyme, to the throbbing of the bells, bells, to the sobbing of the bells, keeping time, as he knells, in a happy runic rhyme, to the rolling of the bells, bells, to the tolling of the bells, bells, to the moaning and the groaning of the bells. I do sincerely hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see the rest of this series, please stick around by clicking that red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so much for watching, and you will hear me in the next one. Take care.